Hi, in this video I will show you how you can do keyword research for free if you want to post some content on your social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. You want some keyword research if you are doing some blogging or another stuff and you want to see how much traffic that particular keyword is generating, then this video is for you. So first of all, simply go to Chrome Web Store. Here on the search bar, click search for keyword surfer, and you can see it is the featured extension on Google Chrome Web Store. Simply click here and then you will find install button here. Since I have already installed this Chrome extension and I have been using it for a couple of days, so let me tell you some key features this extension has. You can find new keyword opportunities, you can save keywords to collection, you can uncover data from your search results, and so on. So Keyword Surfer allow you to search volume directly in Google search results. You will be able to uncover insights on search volume, CPC, keyword suggestion, related terms, and visibility metrics. So without any further ado, let's do some examples. So let's try the ChatGPT keyword first, since AI and ChatGPT is the trending topic nowadays. If I click here, you can see powered by Keyword Surfer here, and after this search is completed, so these are the results. You can see it is showing us estimated monthly search volume of this keyword in United States of America as well as CPC for Google Ads campaign. If you go down here on the right side, you can see Keyword Surfer. There is an option of creating collection, and you can also change country for here. If you want to see the trends of this particular keyword in any other country, you can select it from here. So it is showing us all the keywords with their search volume and overlap percentage, and also showing us some related keywords. Using this arrow, you can get the list of all the keywords. And not only that, with this extension you can also check the monthly traffic of the websites along with other details like CPC and total words. So let's try some more examples. iPhone 16, since it is not launched yet, let's see the search results for this. So here is one website which is ranked number 1 on the Google search for this keyword. This website is named Mac Rumors. For this particular keyword, you can see the monthly traffic for this domain in USA, and it is saying that they have used 4,158 words on this web page or blog, and this keyword is appeared like 16 times on this page. That's why they are ranked top here. And then there are some YouTube videos and other stuff. Let's try one last keyword, since this is very trending. Like there are a lot of animal lovers out there who want to create the videos on their social media like YouTube, TikTok, and create blogging for the passive income. If you click here, you can see we have some images, then we have some videos on the YouTube, and if you go down, you can see some more websites like Wikipedia and Unsplash. So let's go up, and here you can see the monthly traffic for these keywords and then what people have searched along with these keywords. If you keep pressing this button, you can see the long tail keywords as well. So in short, this is a very helpful keyword surfer extension, a free of cost Google Chrome extension which you can use for keyword research when you want to create a new content, create a new blog, or anything like you want to launch your own tool or website or product. So this keyword will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel, like this video, uh, type in your comments if you have any question or query, and please share with your friends. See you.